So, Mr. Sarthak, question number 1. X square minus 15x plus 54. X square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. See, this has to be solved using splitting the middle term. Splitting the middle term. So, there is a invisible 1 written here. So, what would be the product? Mr. Sarthak?
The product will be 50.
54. And the sum would be 15.
Minus
Because if we compare this with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the product would be a into c. So the product would be 54 and the sum of the two numbers would be minus 15. So we need to find two numbers. Sarthak, what would be the two numbers?
minus 6 and minus 9.
So Mr. Sarthak, what would be the two numbers?
Minus 6 and minus 9.
I'm sorry?
Minus 6 and minus 9.
Minus 6 and minus 5.
Minus 9.
Minus 9. Why minus 6 and minus 9? Because the sum of these two numbers are minus 6 minus 9 would be equal to minus 15, and minus 6 into minus 9 would be equal to 54. Mr. Sarthak, are we
Yes.
clear? So I can write the middle term. I can write this middle term as x square minus 6x minus 9x plus 54 is equal to 0. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No.
Now I need to find common factor from here. What would be the common factor?
Now it will be x.
I'll repeat this x minus 6 here. What should I write here, Mr. Sarthak? Mr. Sarthak, what should I write here?
Minus 9.
Minus 9. Now I need to find the common factor from these two terms. This term and this term. What would be the common factor?
X.
Mr. Sarthak, are we clear till here?
Yep.
Okay. Now, see, if this was just factorization of the polynomial, factorization of the algebraic expression, our answer would have ended here. This would be the factorization. But when we have to find the roots of an equation, the solution of the equation, we take one more step. So I can write this 1x square minus 15x plus 54 as x minus 6 into x minus 9, and this would be equal to 0. Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Now if product of these two numbers is 0, so either this is 0 or this is 0. Any doubt? So x minus 6 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. So either x minus 6 would be 0 or x minus 9 would be 0. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt till here?
No.
So x would be either 6 or it would be 9. Any doubt, Mr. Sarthak?
No.
See, Mr. Sarthak, we have just done one step extra. The questions that we were doing were previously the kind of questions that we were doing. We just had to factorize this polynomial. Now, if I factorize this polynomial, the factors would be x minus 6 and x minus 9. Are we clear?
Yep.
If I have to just factorize the polynomial, then this would be my final answer. But if this is equal to 0, then the factors x minus 6 into x minus 9, this would be equal to 0. Any doubt?
No.
And then we take one step extra, where we say that either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 6 or x is equal to 9. Any doubt, Mr. Sir?
No.
Okay, great. We'll do one more question, just one more question. So, x square plus x minus 20. X square plus x minus 20 is equal to 0. So, as a first step, I'll have to just factorize this polynomial. So, I have to find a number, I have to find a pair of numbers whose product is, Mr. Sarthak, what is the product?
Minus 20.
Minus 20. What would be the sum?
Plus 1.
1. So, what would be the pair of number?
Minus 4 and 5.
Minus 4 and 5. 4. Why? Because the product is minus 20 and the sum is minus 4 and 4. The sum would be minus 1. So, I'll take this as 5 and minus 4 so that the sum is 1. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No.
So, I have to split this. I can write this as x square plus 5x minus 4 minus 20 is equal to 0. Any doubt, Mr. Sarthak?
No.
So, x would be the common factor. I will repeat this x plus 5 here. I will write minus 4 here. So, x minus 4 into x plus 5 is equal to 0. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No.
And then we just take one more step. See, this is anyways the factorization we have already learned how to do. Now, this is solving a quadratic equation with the help of factorization. So, either x minus 4 is equal to 0 or x minus 5 is equal to 0. Any doubt till here?
No.
And therefore, x is equal to 4 or x is equal to 5. This would be the solution of the quadratic equation. Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?
No.
Okay. So, I'll send you the scan. If you want, you can do the first 6 questions, Mr. Sarthak. We'll discuss the 3, 4, 5, 6 on Friday. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.